those of you that don't know, we got Alexis Tucci coming up next. This woman is more responsible for the rave culture in St. Louis than anybody here. That's a fact. In the early 90s, when probably half of us weren't even born, this woman was doing what we're all doing right now, and we all love her so much. And she's going to bring some old school stuff to us right now on turntables and everything. Who does that anymore? It's all you, Alexis. Thank you.